Is this bottle washer worth the extra modes and quieter cycles, even if it has to stay near your sink? Or is this bottle washer worth rolling anywhere in your kitchen, even if it's bulkier and louder? We're comparing the Momcozy KleanPal Pro to the Baby Brezza Bottle Washer Pro in case you aren't able to. Starting with loading and capacity. Both machines can clean up to 4 bottles at once, with extra racks for nipples, pump parts, and pacifiers. But the Momcozy has 26 high-pressure spray jets and pinch grip holders that keep everything upright and secure. The Brezza has 20 jets and a designated spot for taller bottle parts, but bottles can shift or even tip over during loading. When it comes to wash, sterilize, and dry modes, both machines clean, sterilize, and dry bottles with the push of a button, making daily cleaning a whole lot less stressful. But the Momcozy gives you 9 mode options, including a 19-minute rapid cycle, and keeps bottles sterile for up to 72 hours. It even fully dries everything, no water pooling. The Brezza offers 6 modes, but water can get left in the base of the bottles post-cycle, and sterility lasts 24 hours. As for cycle time and noise, both machines clock in around an hour and a half for a full cycle. But when it comes to noise, the Momcozy takes the win. Its white noise is quieter, making it easier to run during nap time or family meals, while the Brezza is noticeably louder, with more white noise during wash cycles. As far as water use and drainage go, both machines use less than a gallon of water per load, way less than a dishwasher, and don't need permanent plumbing. The Brezza uses 2 detachable tanks, one for clean and one for dirty water, so no drain hose required. Just wheel it near the sink, fill, dump, done. The Momcozy uses less water overall, just 2.5 liters, but needs to be near both a sink and outlet to use its back drain hose. As for ease of use, both washers have pause buttons, so if you find a rogue pacifier post-start, you're not out of luck. When it comes to size and space, both machines take up about the same width, and you'll want to measure your space to be sure the machine will fit. The Momcozy is a little taller and has a smaller footprint overall. Its clean water tank is easy to remove, but the unit must be close to a sink or bucket to use the drain hose. The Brezza is longer and sits on wheels, so you can easily move it forward to access the water tanks, but you'll need space behind it to lift out the dirty water tank. And lastly, value and affordability. There isn't a huge difference in price between these 2 washers, but which one will be more valuable depends on what matters most to you. The Momcozy offers more control, quieter operation, and complete drying. Great for families who want all the features and can accommodate a hose, while the Brezza is faster, fuss-free, and perfect for homes without sink access.